So hello friends, today I'm going to explain sets chapter. This is for 10th or 11th standard. This chapter is very easy, so please concentrate. If you understand the definitions and basics of this chapter, we can learn everything very easily of this chapter. So let's go with all kinds of definitions in this chapter. First, we will start with set. What is meant by set? A set. What is a set? A similar collection of objects or ideas is known as set. We usually denote a set by capital letters. So, similar set. We can't take different elements in a set. We should take similar things in a set, like a set of erasers, a set of pencils, a set of sharpeners. We don't take the numbers in that. So, any collection of things is known as set. The things in set might be things or objects or numbers. So what is a set? A similar collection of objects or ideas is known as set. We usually denote a set with capital letters. Okay, we denote a set with capital letters, and set, we write a set in flower brackets. Look here, these are curly brackets, flower brackets. We denote it with capital letters. Look here. And what is a set? A set can be a set of even numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And a set can means it must contain a similar, it must not contain any different. Like if you arrange a pencil in a set, pens, eraser, sharpener, person's name, an object's name, then that is not a set. Different kinds of elements is not set to be a set. A set is similar kind of data. If it is an eraser, then there must be erasers only. If it is vowels, then there must be vowels only. If it is books, there must be books only in a set. A set must contain similar collection of objects or ideas is known as set. Okay, it must be denoted with capital letter. Now let's move to next. Move to next definition. What is it? Elements of a set. What is meant by element of sets belonging to a set are known as elements of set. These are denoted by small letters. Okay, because if we denote it with capital letters, we'll be confused, and so we should denote it with small letters. Object belonging to this set. If there is a set, then the things inside it are known as elements of this set. Okay, so each element are separated with commas. You can see here, each element are separated with commas. You can see here, each elements are separated with commas. Okay, then the next is any element or object belongs to a set. Any elements or objects belonging to a set, then we use the symbol belongs to. This is a symbol belongs to, and belongs to. We use a symbol belongs to. If it is not belongs to, it is denoted by a symbol not belongs to. Here the discuss the symbols in the next class further. Okay, I will analyze all the symbols there. Here I will discuss all the definitions. Okay, any elements or objects belonging to a set, then we use the symbol belongs to. This symbol is known as belongs to. It similarly looks like capital E, right? This symbol is known as belongs to, and it is not belongs to. If the element does not belongs to, it is denoted by does not belongs to. Okay, look here, example. A is equals to, A is a set and the elements are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So as the elements are 2, 3, 5 and 7, so does 2 belongs to A? Yes, 2 is in A, so 2 belongs to A. 4 belongs to A? Is 4 here? No, so 4 does not belongs to A. Does 9 belongs to A? Is 9 here in the set? No. Does 7 belongs to A? Does 7 belongs to A? Yes, 7 belongs to A. And does 6 belongs to A? Is 6 there in the set A? No, 6 is not there. The elements are 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3. We have to separate each and every element with commas, okay? Or else that will become one entity. See, look here. Now, these are few operations in set which are very important operations. These operations are actually pronounced as this. So this operation is pronounced as union, this is pronounced as intersection, this is pronounced as null set, and this is pronounced as subset, and this is pronounced as difference, and this is pronounced as belongs to, this is pronounced as does not belongs to. So now these must be remembered by you so that you can do sums very easily. This definition, uses of this, what are these symbols actually, I will explain in next video. Please watch it. Okay, now here Rostal form. Okay, a set has two different a set can be represented in two different ways. Okay, one is Rostal form. It is also said as listing method. Okay, roster form is also said as listing method. All elements are written in order to separate commas in order. Okay, all elements are written in order means ascending or descending by separating commas. We after writing in order we should separate each element with commas, or else it will become one unit, one entity. Okay, one thing, it will become a complete one thing. So always we have to separate each element with commas here, like this a e I o u, we are separating with commas, right? So and put in curly brackets. We have to always, a set must be in curly brackets always. I'm saying this from starting, set must be curly brackets. If it is not in a curly brackets, it is not a set. Okay, always a set must be in curly brackets. In this form, elements should not be repeated. Okay, in Rostal form, elements should not be repeated again and again. Okay, and the second one is set builder form. Set builder form is also known as rules method. Set builder form is also known as rule method. Look here, actually what is set builder form? Whenever you see in examinations this kind of lines, these are the statements. These are represented in the form of statements. Okay, actual definition I will say you here. If use a symbol, look here, this is a symbol. If you use a symbol for the elements of a set, for the elements of a set, we are using a symbol for the elements of a set. Okay, elements of a set, and followed by colon. We says x follows x. How we pronounce this line? X is equals to x follows x is a vowel in alphabet. Okay, and follows by a colon, after which we write the characteristic properties. Okay, we write the characteristic properties. X is a vowel in alphabet. Okay, properties by the elements of the set. Later the whole is enclosed in curly brackets. This whole is enclosed in curly brackets. This way of writing is called set builder method. As I said, we write the property. We don't, in set builder form, we write the property. We don't write the elements in this. We don't consider the elements in this. This is a little bit difficult than roster form, because when writing the answer, when doing calculations, we have to convert this set builder form into roster form, and then we have to make the solution. So it's quite difficult, but practice makes man perfect. Okay, so this way of writing is called set builder form. This way of writing is called set builder form. You can see this is a little bit in a statement form. So set builder form does not contain elements in it. It gives a kind of property so that we can find out the elements of the set. Okay, x follows x is a vowel in alphabets. Okay, x follows x is a vowel in alphabets. Here I will give a clear explanation about again a set builder form because it's quite difficult. Here one more example, clear definition of rules, method or set builder form. I will give you this. As I said, this form will be in a sentence or a statement. Okay, the set. So in this method we do not list the elements. Okay, in this rules it is also known as set builder form, is also known as rule method. So in this method we do not, look here, rule means they are giving rules here so that we can find out the elements of the set. In this method we do not list the elements. Okay, in this method we do not list the elements. Instead we will write the